Hit it while it's hot. The Dude Mungus 3000.
The market.
We're recording up in this piece all the way. Dude and Dudette, say what up. It's your boy Dude Mungus. Time out. Look at Deadshot. Okay, let me do this cold start, then I'm gonna give y'all a walk around, man. Holy crap, man. This is legit a cold start. Deadshot hasn't been started in 2 days, and it's 50 degrees outside right now.
The market.
Woo, sheesh. Look at my boy. Yeah, look at that thing, boy. Looking good. Woo. And the thing is, I know it don't come through on camera. Deadshot ain't even cleaned yet. Oh yeah. But today, man, today I'm excited, man. Wifey has gotten me a Christmas present, something I've been thinking about for a while, and I'm going to get it. So I'm going to link up with my dude, IamJamal. Y'all give me a second. Let me get this warmed up, and then I will check in with y'all. I'm almost positive I need some petrol too. Yep, I need some petrol. Oh, damn. Deadshot, she got the chill, bro. Just got Deadshot reflection. Ew. Boy, Justin, you a fool for this one, boy. I don't even know how you came up with this, bro. Goodness gracious. When I tell you, Justin asked me, and I know my longtime subscribers know this. Justin asked me, are you keeping the yellow in the tire stickers? I said, yes. Yellow is actually my favorite color. I said I like yellow, and then the only other thing I told him was like, oh, I love forged carbon. He came up with the rest of the idea for this rap, bro, and absolutely killed it. Oh, he murdered it, man. Goodness gracious, Justin, this thing looks good. Draws a lot of attention. Heck yeah. Guys, I'm getting excited because I'm almost here. And one thing, yo, my boy, my dude, Jamal, bro, I am Jamal. I totally forgot to eat. So it's been years since I had a tattoo. I was like, bro, is there anything I need to do before I get this tattoo? He was like, nah, bro, just make sure you eat. And I was like, all right, cool, good. I didn't eat. I ate earlier today, but I did not eat probably 3 or 4 hours before I came here. So I have a Slim Jim and some Gatorade in my jacket. So hopefully that's enough to put me in there. I got a tattoo in my arm and I didn't eat. Bro, I about threw up. Dude, I got real queasy. That's not it. It's the next one. It's up here. I've been here once. But yeah, definitely if you're in Atlanta, definitely come holler at my guy. Wifey, I appreciate you for my Christmas present. Look at this. That thing is cold. Oh yeah, got 2 custom wrap bikes together. Ooh, Deadshot, you be doing what you be doing, bro. Look, you see the information up here. Come holler at your people if you need a tattoo. Now my boy, I think he got his own business. I think he just works here, but he got his own thing going. Like I said, I'm gonna leave his information in the description so you guys can see it. Sheesh, look at this Corvette up in this piece too. I mean, I guess it's just ain't about playing no games today. Sheesh, that junk looks good. Definitely holler at my people. Tell them Dude Mungus sent you. Now, there's no discount code or nothing like that associated with it. Pay people their money. You know what I'm saying? This is how they make their living. Let them make their money. Let them be great.
It's almost time. It's about to go down. We about to do this for real, for real. Dude Mungus is about to become official. And I appreciate my guy. I appreciate your time too, man, to do this. And I'm telling y'all, man, come holler at my boy if you need something. And don't come in here looking for no discount. Pay people for what they do. You know what I'm saying? Don't come up here. Dude Mungus said it was a discount. No, I didn't. Dude Mungus said come and pay. It's what you do.
Whoo, shit. Oh, that's pretty cool. Woo, dude and Dudette. Let's go. My boy done hooked me up. I'm excited. Took about an hour and a half. I didn't realize it till tonight. I actually have 8 tattoos. And I wouldn't even call myself necessarily a tattoo guy. But everyone that I have literally have a story behind it. So this Dude Mungus tattoo, which I'll put up some pictures so you guys can see it. But this Dude Mungus tattoo means a lot to me because literally everyone watching this video, I wouldn't have met you guys had not I started Dude Mungus, or I probably wouldn't be at these bike events or any of this stuff. I've really honestly met some amazing people since I started the Dude Mungus channel, and this tattoo kind of signifies that. And I'm not just talking about some amazing people, I'm talking about some daggum amazing people I have met, man. And you know, your boy Mungus always gets emotional, but dude, I've met some really cool people. I have a group chat with a set of guys that inspire and that push men, you know, to be great. And dude, I absolutely love it. And had not I started Dude Mungus, I might not have met them. I just freaking daggum appreciate it, man. Let's go. It's even because of the Dude Mungus channel I even met Mr. IamJamal. It's like our channels crossed because of Dude Mungus. So this tattoo actually means something to me. It's not just getting Dude Mungus tattooed on me. It literally means something. So I've met some amazing people along this journey. Again, I appreciate my guy for what you did, man. Thank you, man. Thank you. If y'all need anything, like I said, I'm gonna leave all of his information in the description. You guys can check it out. And then I don't really do a lot of nighttime rides, so this is gonna be a nighttime ride back to the house for you, boy.
Nighttime ride me?
Yeah, man. And just so y'all know, it's about 45 degrees, so when we say we about that bike life, we are about that life, sir. Yeah. Just get a little bit of this. They're doing at nighttime. Yeah, that joint was good. I love the way they did the lights on these. Woo! Sheesh! That thing look good. Alright, boy, man, be easy. Yes, sir. Oh, hey, look at Deadshot's reflection. That's why I be so geek when I drive my car, because I see that and I be like, oh my goodness. Good Deadshot. Alright, man, appreciate you again, man. Oh yeah, dude and Dudette, we got the town up in the building. Let's go. Oh man. But I I ain't gonna make y'all sit through this episode too long. It's supposed to be real quick. If something happens, I will definitely cue you guys in. Otherwise, I appreciate y'all rocking with your boy. You know what it is. One shot, Deadshot. Dude Mungus.
DudeMungus.
Just noticed the Christmas card for that piece.
Blue chocolate. DudeMungus. Blue chocolate. Thank you for watching, dude. DudeMungus. DudeMungus. Thank you for watching, dudes. DudeMungus.